Hello everyone, welcome to LRDA Prep. My name is Samir Sardana, a Plus educator on Unacademy, and I'm teaching students live on Unacademy Plus for CAT exam preparation. You can join Unacademy Plus using my referral code LRDA Samir to attend my live sessions for quant as well as for logical reasoning and data interpretation. Today we are going to discuss a very common question, a common doubt among all the students, how to address why MBA. Now, this is a standard question that you will definitely be coming across if you're sitting for any MBA interview. So we have with us Shekhar Suman from IIFT Delhi. We will be having a conversation how to address this question. You know, the students from the different backgrounds, शेखर आर्ट्स बैकग्राउंड से जो बच्चे हैं उनको इस क्वेश्चन को कैसे एड्रेस करना चाहिए students from BTech, how they should be framing their answers. Why MBA, right? So, what is your take on it? I mean, how we should be, framing the answer, or what should be the right way to prepare the answer? Is it a standard answer that everyone should go for, or हर बच्चे को अपना आंसर खुद बनाना चाहिए, uh, depending on his background, his experience, his or her experience, right? So, what is your take on it?
So, sir, basically, first thing first, it's not at all something standard which one should follow. It should be based on the experiences and the backgrounds of per individual. On the top of it, there are some things which must be kept in mind, and there are some caveats which should be kept in mind. So, first of all, I would say we should understand what is the perspective of the one who is taking your interview. So the interview which is taken in the B school admission are quite different from the corporate interviews. Like there, they are hiring you for the jobs, but the professor wants to see whether you are willing to learn or not, whether you are going to attend all the classes diligently, you're going to follow what is being taught or not. Because generally, what happens, nobody attends all the classes, all the curriculum, the courses are not very diligently followed, and that's what they are looking for. On the top of it, they're also looking whether someone is a right fit for the industry as well, because at the end of the day they have to place you. The college should have a good reputation, so the fit is also quite important. And one more thing is that whether you have the right motivation to join MBA in the first place or not. Sometimes people join because they want to skip something, so that should not be visible in your answers, that you want to join MBA because you want to skip something, you want to escape from your background or something like that. So switching should not be the case of answering your question that I want to switch it. So this is the perspective which one should keep in mind while answering. On the top of it, then we can go forward to what can be a basic uh, formulation of answer based on the backgrounds itself. Like that should be the thing.
Right. So let's say if we talk about a BTech background students with engineering background, I guess you are also
Yes.
you have done BTech, right? So
Yes.
बच्चों को बहुत कंफ्यूजन रहता है कि यार टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड को कैसे एमबीए के साथ कनेक्ट किया जाए. I mean, and they generally say कि I was not interested in techno BTech. I mistakenly chosen have chosen the science as a field. So, is it a right way to say that कि मैंने BTech गलती से select कर लिया and this is not a right stream for me and now I want to pursue the MBA? Or should, the right way to answer the question is कि BTech में से you need to, pick those some, important points कि आपने किस project में कैसे perform किया, किस event में कैसे participation किया, right? What are the different achievements that you have got, right? Whether it's in sports or in any events which you have done in your graduation, and you need to connect it with your answers of why MBA after BTech. What do you think on this?
Yes, sir. So exactly, what I would say that you should not be appearing as someone who is very critical about the courses he is going through and very pessimistic and wants to just escape something he is working on currently. So when you answer that it was just a mistake that I chose engineering or any other stream, then the saying it out bluntly would make you appear as such. So you should refrain from having us giving such a bold statement, that it was not the right choice. Although you can obviously say that throughout the course of learning, when like you should be reflecting yourself as a person who is quite willing to learn, and wherever he goes he tries to learn everything he can. Then you can say that while I was learning, in the process I realized that what I was more inclined towards was the business aspect or the decision making of it. I had the leadership qualities which I thought initially in the college days itself. I realized it, and then I tried to participate in such things in events, or let's say even in the course I tried to have the projects which are quite inclined towards the decision making, that is making an impact on the people, like a management job would do. So the answer should be formed along your course, and it should seem that you have explored yourself throughout the graduation process, throughout the curriculum, and the decision which you are making right now is quite calculated, and you have explored well enough to be making this decision. On the top of it, this is something the college thing would be much focused when you're a fresher. But when you're an experienced person, then it should be more towards why you are switching the job when you work currently in the certain job. You cannot say I want to increase my salary, because the obviously whatever stream you're working on, there might be a way to work better or get a better salary in that as well. But you are switching just for the salary would not be justifiable. So you should say that in case you are an experienced person, you should try to say that there were you might say in case of engineering that there was a stagnation in what I used to do, and I saw that the growth was more when I would be taking a position in which I would be responsible for making a decision, and I wanted to make a decision. Sometimes the position I was in, the MBA skills, the management skills, the learnings are something which were posing a hindrance on me and my interest of making decision. I want to be at a position at which I'm able to make decision which impact the business itself, which has a huge impact. Let's say you are a coder, then what you I was actually involved in was generally the coding part of it. It was very constrained, and what I wanted to learn, what I wanted to have a view about and make decisions about is how it is going to impact the people lives, and what tweaks could I do in my codes that it would be it would be defining the people life, making their lives better. And that is a position which I would only get when I have the skill set of the management MBA. And that's why I want to learn. So you must be coming as a person who want to learn as much as they could. That's the key over there.
That's great, Shekhar. So students should never frame a standard answer, right? They should never copy anybody's answer. They should be framing their answers of why MBA from their experience, right? From their participation in the different projects, or anything that they have done in the graduation, which helped them getting to know that yes, MBA is a field that you want to go for, right? So that's
Yes.
great. I guess this will definitely give our students an idea how to frame the answers if they're going for the MBA interview, and if they're coming across the question why MBA. Thank you so much, Shekhar, for giving us this inputs. And before we close this session, I just want to inform the student that uh, on Unacademy, you can go for Unacademy Combat Series, which is happening every week now. And you just have to register yourself for free, and you have the chance of winning the scholarship up to 28 lakh. The next scholarship is going to the next Unacademy Combat Series is going to happen on 21st of February, 12 p.m. Right? You register yourself by using my referral code SME.YT. Right? So this is a referral code that you can use to subscribe yourself for the registration of this test, and you will be able to attend the weekly scholarship test. Thank you so much, Shekhar. See you in the next part, where we'll be addressing more interview questions like this. Thanks a lot.
Sure, sir. Thank you.